Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a very new and amazing feature from the MagicPath team, and it's their new Chrome extension. And what it does is that it captures HTML and turns it into React that you can paste inside of MagicPath. Now you might be wondering, what do you mean by that? So I'm just going to show you straight away. So for example, if we like something like this, maybe I like this way they've laid out the payment options on this page. I can click on this Chrome extension by MagicPath, click on select element, and as you can see I can select this and it's going to convert it into something I can paste into MagicPath, and then I can copy this, go back into MagicPath, and I can paste it. And as you can see it says web catcher, and it's going to create it in this component view right now. And you can see that MagicPath has pretty much perfectly recreated this, and even if I click on these change as well, and this is quite amazing. And what you can even do is you can go into edit, you can select something like this, you can see they use that font outfit, and you can change it to something else. Maybe you want Inter, and boom, it changes just like that. You can select this or the wider div, we can change the color, maybe we want a darker blue, and then we can change the text here to something whiter, and we can click on save, and just like that you've taken something you're inspired by and you've changed it and you've made it your own. Let's check out a couple more examples, maybe examples that are more complex. So let's go into Firebase, and I was browsing this website and I really like this function here, so we're going to see if MagicPath can recreate this. So it has different tabs and everything. So I'm going to click on select element, I'm going to click on this, or maybe the wider thing. I'm going to convert that, I'm going to copy, and again I'm going to paste this inside of MagicPath. What I'm going to do, I've duplicated this original ASOS component. I'm going to say, can it use this theme to restyle this component? So I'm going to say, restyle the component using my snack rush theme. And with this, okay, so we've got this, but obviously it can't actually do the component where it changes tabs, because I'm guessing it can't see it, which is fine, but we've got the placeholder here that we can use as well. But what I could do is I could go in here, I could screenshot this. I'm actually going to go into my assistant AI sidebar and comment. I'm going to say describe this tabs components with perfect accuracy and layout description, and I'm going to paste the screenshot I've just taken, and let's see what comment describes this as. Okay, so it's perfect, and it's describing the items it has inside. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into MagicPath, I'm going to say replace the picker placeholder with this, and I'm going to paste this, my image, my screenshot again, and I'm also going to copy this text, and I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to enter. I'm going to see what MagicPath creates there. Okay, so MagicPath has redesigned this, but it's actually completely redesigned it. Let's see what happens if we select a different theme. Okay, it changes it a little bit. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to go back to V1, and I'm going to press cancel. I'm going to say redesign this UI using my selected snack rush theme. I'm going to say don't change the existing layout at all, and hopefully it does it this time. And let's go back up here. Okay, so we've got these tabs implemented, and it changes slightly as well, which is nice. And then obviously this part needs more padding on the right side if we were to do it properly, and this also works as well at the top, which is really good. So we've taken something we've liked and we've completely remade it using MagicPath, using a combination of the HTML to React Chrome extension and also screenshotting and prompting using the AI chat. Now let's do another example. I really like these cards on linear. They're really clean, minimal, and really nicely designed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and copy this section. I know it won't be able to see this pop up, so you won't design that, but let's try and copy this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all this, copy, and I'm going to paste. Oh, let me just undo that and make sure I've actually selected copy on this. So let's do it again. Copy component, then Command V. Okay, it's working now. So I've pasted it and I'm going to build it here inside of MagicPath. Now let's go back to this component. Okay, so it's used our theme, even though our theme isn't the best theme to use for this, but it's perfectly redesigned this using our Snack Rush theme perfectly, and all I had to do was say don't change the existing layout. So that's a pro tip, just tell it to not to change the existing layout and it'll just apply the different colors and font styles. Okay, so this theme isn't the best, so what I can do, let me see if I can change it. So I can change to this. Okay, so we can alter it a little bit, maybe for Sal. Okay, this looks nice. I'm gonna keep it as that. You can press save as well. So again, once you're in edit tool, you can select different themes and you can see the changes live on the component. Okay, here's the linear component that I've recreated. It's not done it quite perfectly, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to copy this row here. So I'm just going to do it again. I'm going to select and I'm going to click on that, click on copy to clipboard, and I'm going to paste. I'm going to see if we can design the 3 cards. Okay, so we've got our 3 cards here, and actually when you click on it, you can see there's like a hidden card here that I can just delete, and that might be the issue with this one. So let me try. So I'm going to click on edit, click on this, delete, and save. So it did actually work, it just wasn't visible. That explains it now, but by doing this again I could see the issue and then try and prompt to solve it. So can I try and get the outlines of each card, and can I try and fix this is another question, or does this one look better? Oh, there's one on the right side as well. Just delete and press save. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to delete this and try and add this to this. So I'm just going to make a copy of this. I'm going to put this above. I'm going to call this something else. So feature carousel 3 cards. Save that. And I'm going to edit. And I'm actually going to try and select these cards and just delete them all. And I'm going to press save. And when it's saved, I'm going to try and add this to that using the chat feature and using referencing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to chat. I'm going to say underneath the text, add, and then press at. I'm going to reference feature carousel 3 cards, which is this, and then I'm going to press enter. I'm going to see what it does. Okay, that didn't quite work properly, so I'm going to try a different method. I'm going to say add the text div with both heading and body text from, and then feature carousel copy, which is this, and then I'm going to say below this add the component feature carousel 3 cards, which is this one. I'm going to see if this one can work. Okay, after trying different techniques, I finally figured out how to do it. So what I did, I used this, I copied and pasted this one, so I have a copy, and then I just said, can you add this text above these cards, which makes more sense because these cards are already fixed and working. Let's just add this text above. So we've got this down now, and it looks great, and it looks identical to the linear section here as well. So that was a quick tutorial on MagicPath's new Chrome extension, how to use it, how you can use it with existing MagicPath features, and how you can create designs and take inspiration from world-class creations as well. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any video suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'd appreciate if you liked and subscribed for more MagicPath content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.